10 genius kitchen hacks you need to know. Cooking doesn't have to be a hassle. Here are 10 genius kitchen hacks that will save you time, effort, and mess. Let's go. Hack 1. Peel garlic in seconds. Hate peeling garlic? Just toss the cloves into a jar, shake it for 10 seconds, and boom, clean, peel-free garlic. Hack 2. Get more juice from citrus. To get double the juice from lemons and limes, microwave for 10 seconds, then roll them on the counter before squeezing. Hack 3. Keep avocados, fresh tiered of brown avocados. Store the leftover half with a slice of onion. Sulfur slows browning and keeps it fresh longer. Hack 4. No mess measuring. For sticky ingredients, measuring honey or peanut butter. Coat your spoon with oil. First it slides right off with zero mess. Hack 5. Prevent water from boiling over. Stop pots from boiling over by placing a wooden spoon across the top. It breaks the bubbles and keeps your stove clean. Hack 6. Easy grated cheese. Storage. Add a teaspoon of cornstarch to shredded cheese before storing. It prevents clumping and keeps it fresh longer. Hack 7. Reheat pizza the right way. Want crispy leftover pizza? Reheat it in the microwave with a cup of water. This keeps the crust from getting rubbery. Hack 8. Instant ice packs. Need a quick ice pack? Soak a sponge in water, freeze it in a Ziploc bag, and you've got a reusable no-leak ice pack. Hack 9. Keep herbs fresh for weeks. To keep herbs fresh for weeks, store them like flowers in a glass of water, covered with a plastic bag in the fridge. Hack 10. Quickly ripen bananas. Need ripe bananas fast? Bake them at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes, and they'll be perfectly soft and sweet. Which hack are you trying first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more genius kitchen tips.